And welcome to this video. In this video we're going to create an auto attendant phone line. So the first thing we need to do is click on Administration, click on Phone Lines, click New Line, and we're going to call this Main AA for Main Auto Attendant. Click OK, and we've now created the phone line. Click on the General tab there and we can see we can give it a different name if we want to. If we click on the Auto Attendant tab, the Use Auto Attendant button must be checked in order to use the Auto Attendant on this phone line. The message section here is the Auto Attendant message that will play on this phone line. A message must be uploaded here in order for this Auto Attendant to function. You can play the uploaded message here, you can export the uploaded message, and you can also record the message directly here. It is important that this message correlates and relates directly to the options that you enter in below for the Auto Attendant. An Auto Attendant takes priority over other settings checked within the tabs of the phone line, the only exceptions being if automatic transfer is active, if night mode is active, and if redirect is active in the user settings tab. Wait for internal number after 0. This must be checked if you'd like callers to be able to dial an internal extension number from the Auto Attendant message itself. You need to make sure that your message makes mention to the fact that callers can dial an internal extension number. For example, you could have a message that said, if you know the extension number of the person you'd like to contact, please press 0 and then dial the extension number. The menu options, this is where you select the phone lines that you would like each key number to send the caller through to. A no choice option is available to send the callers to a specified phone line if no choice has been made by the caller. If the no choice field is blank and the caller makes no choice, the IVR message will be replayed. If the caller still doesn't make a choice, the call will simply be disconnected. If none of the standard keys have been specified with a phone line and the wait for internal number after 0 has not been checked, the call will be directly transferred to the phone line specified within the no choice field after the audio message has been played. If none of the standard keys have been specified and no choice has also been left blank, then the call will simply be disconnected once the message has been played. A scenario where this could be used, for example, is if you wanted an auto attendant to simply advise that a call queue or department is closed, maybe out of hours or something like that. So we're now just going to put in our options. So we'll have key 1 takes us through to the sales hunt group, and key 2 will take us through to the support call queue. And we'll say that no choice in this instance goes to Joe Blogs, but that could be reception, or it could be an overflow to sales, or wherever you want it to go. The voicemail options at the end there, if this is checked for a key but a phone line hasn't been specified in the transfer to field, for example here we'll set that on key 3, then the caller will be taken to the voicemail of the phone line the caller has dialed. If the caller dialed an individual and was transferred through to this auto attendant and then they pressed option 3, they'd be taken through to the voicemail of that individual. If the caller dialed straight into the auto attendant phone line itself, maybe perhaps from the main DDI number for example, then they will be taken through to the voicemail of the auto attendant phone line. If the voicemail is checked for a key and the phone line has been specified, for example sales hunt group here in option number 1, then the caller will be transferred through to the voicemail of that specified phone line. And that's creating an auto attendant phone line in Xelion. Thank you for watching.